Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's eye look, I was inspired by corals and oranges. I just really wanted to go all out and just create this look for you guys. I definitely hope you guys do love and do recreate and enjoy this look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and also click the notification bell to be updated for any future videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So starting off, to prep my eyes, I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this time I'll be using the shade Light Medium to conceal, and then I'll just be using like a dome little small brush just to blend everything out. So now that I'm done prepping my eye, I'm going to be going ahead and use the 35B palette, and I'm just going to mainly use the red shade from this palette and the orange, but I'm going to be starting off with the red. So all I'm going to be doing is just packing in that red and not blending it. Now that I'm done packing in that color for now, I'm going to be going ahead and apply this small detailer blending brush from Real Techniques. Now with the same brush, I just packed on a little bit of orange on there, and I'm just going to slowly be placing that on top and buffing it in with the red shade. So now that I'm done blending the red shade, I'm going to be going with another clean brush, and I used a color from the Jaclyn palette. I'll make sure to put the color on the screen. This color, we're going to be mainly focusing it on the outer corner and also the inner corner. So I'm going to be using the same concealer I was using and placing it in the middle of my eye, since we are going for a halo effect. Now I'm going to be going back with the 35B palette and apply the orange shade. So now that I'm done with the eyes, honestly guys, it doesn't have to be like perfectly blended. I just kind of like blend it somewhat, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Now that that's getting tacky, for the glitter, I'm going to be using the J.Cat Loose Glitter, and it's in this shade Tangerine, and it's this really pretty color. So now that we're done with the glitters, I'm just going to be popping on my lashes off camera, and then I'll be back to start with the face. So now guys that I'm already done applying my lashes, I already prepped my skin with the Makeup Forever Step-In Skin Equalizer, and now it's like really set into my skin. So now I'm going to be mixing my Milani Prime Lights primer with the L.A.Girl Pro foundation together. Now I'm just going to be applying it with that brush. And now to blend all that out, I'm just going to be using this beauty blender. Now I'm going to be setting everything with my Mercier translucent powder. So off camera, guys, I had smoked my bottom lower lash line. Now we're going to go ahead and bronze our face. I'm going to be bronzing my face with the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Soleil number 5. And I'll just be using this angled brush. I'm testing it out and see how good it works. And if I feel that they work and perform really good, I'll definitely suggest it for you guys. But as far as right now, I'm just trying them out. Honestly, guys, so far these brushes are really soft and they're not blotchy. Like, they don't apply the powder blotchy, so I really do like that so far. Now, guys, I'm going to be using my favorite bronzer, which is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So now I'm going to be taking that translucent powder and just cleaning it up. Meanwhile, we have the powder. I'm going to be putting blush on my cheeks. And the blush I'm using is the Milani blush in Luminoso. It just leaves your skin so nice. Now I'm going to be removing that powder. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the highlighter in the shade Oh Darling from MAC. And I'll just be using this fan brush from the same company. I'm trying to check the brushes out. Now to set the skin, I'm going to be using the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. And on top of that, I'll just be using the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. So now for lips, I'm very indecisive if I want to use the Anastasia Spice Liquid Lipstick or the Dose of Colors collab with Dusty and Katie in the shade Hot Fire. But I honestly think I'm going to go with Hot Fire just because I don't really wear that shade that much. And it's like a very bam in your face.